This is the smartest way. 9 to 5 workers are making an extra $5,000 a month. I had a full-time job, zero audience, and no clue how to sell. But I turned one simple digital product into daily income. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how. Let's get straight to it. So step one is actually designing your product so you can actually monetize it. So first things first, you want to go to canva.com, then you want to click on create, and then you go to docs, right? You go straight to docs, and then we're going to use Canva's Magic Write AI tool. It's going to design you a product in 30 seconds or less. So for today's example, I'm gonna focus on credit. So I'm gonna make something like make me a guide on fixing your credit and getting business funding. And then I'll just press generate. And then just like that, I just hit insert. And now it has me the whole product. So I could edit this if I want to. You could edit this. But here's your guide. So all you're gonna do is just go to share and then you're gonna press download. But make sure you save it as a PDF because this is how you're gonna actually be able to sell your digital file and send it to people. So make sure you have it as a PDF. So you just click download and that's it. Okay, now we're gonna dive in where to actually list this product without needing a website or any fancy sales page. And then later in the video, I'm gonna teach you how you're gonna be able to monetize this and get traffic without having a big audience or anything like that. So make sure you stick around to the end. Okay, so you want to use a site called Gumroad.com. Gumroad is great because Gumroad is free to start. It doesn't cost any upfront fees and it only charges you a 10% fee after you make the sale. So what you want to do is you want to be on the home page and then you want to go to products and then you want to go to new product. So then this is where we name our products. So you can name it anything. I like to name my digital products like I like to have like a transformation in them. So I'll be like the 150K bundle funding pack. So it's like this, it has a transformation. They're knowing, okay, this is gonna help me get 150K in funding. So then after that, price your product. So for me, generally, I like to price my digital products anywhere from like 27 to $97. So I'm gonna do this for $27. Then I'm gonna hit next. And now this is where the juicy part comes in. So you could add a description. So like what I recommend you do is go to ChatGPT, tell them what your digital product is about, and then you could just copy and paste a description. But here's how you insert the content. So remember how I told you to save it as a PDF when we were in Canva? You want to click on upload files. You want to go to computer files, and then this is it right there. And this is how you upload your product. So right here, you could customize it. You could add like cover images. You could use Canva to design a cover image. And this is your content, this is the description. So after you're done with all that, after you feel like your product is ready, you're just gonna hit publish and continue. And then there you have it. Now your product is published. And then you could unpublish it and make edits whenever you like. And now you have a link too that you could share. You could copy the URL, and this is what you could do. This is the link that you could give people when you're driving traffic to your page. Okay, now that we actually got our product made and listed, now I'm going to teach you how you can actually get traffic with little to no money to your digital product so you can start monetizing. Let's get straight to it. So guys, this is actually one of my pages that helped me make thousands of dollars selling digital products. I'm almost at 7,000 followers, but I'm going to teach you how I was able to get all these people to follow me and how you're going to be able to drive the traffic. So let's do that. So first of all, I'm talking about credit, right? So what you want to do is you want to make content structured around what you're trying to sell. So me specifically, I just did a funding bundle pack, right? Talking about how to get funding and how to boost your credit score. So I made posts that targeted my specific audience's pain point. And the way you can make posts like this is you could do there's simple styles that you could copy and replicate. So a good example of this is you could do the textile format. It's where like you're just doing random stuff behind the scenes and you just post text over it. Like you just post valuable information. And the point of the video isn't for them to look at you. It's basically for them to see what you posted and read the whole text. And what this does is this actually tricks the algorithm because it keeps them on a loop. So like to Instagram and all these platforms, they're like, oh, okay, this person's on this video and they're on it for a longer amount of time. And the reason why they're on it for a longer amount of time is because they're trying to read your whole video. Because you're only going to make these videos like 4 to 5 seconds long, and it might take them like 10 to 15 seconds to actually read the whole text. So while they're reading it, the video's looping in the background and it's tricking the algorithm to push it to more people. Also, too, a good example too is like these type of posts, like where like you're more detailed and you kind of have like more like a story. So I got inspiration from this from looking at other creators in my niche. So it's purposeful. So what you could do is you could look at other creators doing the same thing. So I took inspiration from bigger creators than me. You got this one creator called Lex the CEO, and she literally makes content like this. So if I wanted inspiration to make a video, all I would have to do is just look at her videos and like not copy them, but like recreate them with my own twist. So after you got all your videos done and you got inspiration from different creators and like you're looking at their content and you're replicating the ones that actually like got views, this is how you can actually kick up the process quicker just by spending a little bit of money. So the best way is to go on theme pages. Like you can go on Instagram, but you can hit up theme pages just like this. So this particular theme page, it has people that post on it. It pays people. These people pay this theme page to put their content on it. So like they're cheap. So like maybe you could find pages like this that charge like 50 to $100 per promo, which is a lot cheaper than spending, money on Facebook ads. Because if your promo hits right, you could actually get like 170,000 views. You see this one got 50,000 views, 80,000 views. Like I actually posted a promo on this page before. It's been a minute, but my video got like 100,000, 150,000 views. And I got like 4,000 likes. It got me so much people to my page to follow me, and I was able to sell my digital products because I had a good post and I posted it on the page. So you don't want to post anything. That's why the part what I just talked about like looking at other creators and recreating it is very important. So you want to make sure you're recreating the right stuff and you're posting the right stuff because don't think you're going to post random stuff and it's going to blow up. If it's bullshit, it won't do good. So make sure you're looking at other creators and then you're finding pages like this and you're reposting it, and this is how you're going to gain traffic to your digital product by leveraging other people's pages. We call this OPM. So guys, if you want my exact system on how I made $5,000 a month using just Canva and simple tools, make sure you check the link in the description box to grab my free cheat sheet. You won't be disappointed. Also guys, make sure to check out this video right here. I'm out though. Peace.